Let's look at the dollar for a minute there. Okay, we have this range here on the weekly time frame where price just shot up, and then now price is correcting to the downsides. I know the chart is heavily analyzed, so let me just do this. Let me hide drawings. So yeah, basically this is how the chart looks. But where is liquidity resting? Like this, where is liquidity resting? So let's bring back our drawings. Roll back our drawings. We see that liquidity is resting below the 78.6%. So expectation is price will keep pushing to the downwards until it sweeps this area here on the weekly time frame before maybe it starts pushing to the upwards. I'll just mark this. Yes, liquidity. Okay, I'll just mark that area there. Yes, liquidity. Then now we can go zoom in onto the daily time frame. Daily time frame also is still heavily marked, and there we go. Now I'm seeing something here which is a range there following the break of structure here, and the liquidity resting above here, liquidity resting here. And my thoughts on this is that price has already changed character to here. I'm just worried that I don't have a sweep on liquidity below this lows here. Below this lows here, okay, I can see prices are rejecting here, but it isn't exactly swept here. But it has changed character, which makes me think there is a possibility that price will move from here up there. So I put my price action right there so that when it reaches resistance there, when it reaches that resistance, then we can exit the trade and expect price to continue to the downside around that area there. But already we have liquidity resting above here, so this is a valid range. So all we have to do is wait and see how price opens on Monday, and then we can see we will see how it reacts, and then from there we can map out our trades. But I'm expecting anything from here to see a sweep to the downside. So this range is not yet solidified, or maybe it is because of this sweep here, because of this return to the area around here. Then maybe let's adjust our range like that, and then I'm still expecting a sweep down below around this area. I'm still expecting a sweep around this area downwards, and then a change of character, and then we can start buying on the Swiss franc, USD Swiss franc. So this range is not yet complete. And then okay, looking at GBP USD, I'm expecting trades like that. The sweep has already happened here. As you can see, I've already marked it up, and I'm expecting that price will retest here and then start selling. But also I'll wait. I won't do anything until market open, or after market open I will still wait. And then I'm also looking at Euro USD. Same thing on Euro USD. Yeah, same thing on Euro USD. And then what you will realize also is that these guys here, the indices, the American indices from uh, S&P 500, also the same thing. I'm still waiting for a liquidity sweep on all of these three. On this guy here, the Nasdaq and the Dow Jones. I'm still expecting price to give me reversal patterns, and then we can trade. Given that, also what I did realize was that GJ has already given us a return. It has already swept, and expectation is for price to push a little up. Oh, sorry, a little up like that. Price is rejecting, has been rejecting here, and then it went and swept and then changed character here. So that to happen, and then we start pushing downwards, and that's my outlook for the week. I'll be looking at GJ, GU, EU, and USD Swiss franc for next week's trade. That's it. I'm ending the video here.